Hello everyone, welcome to the configuration video for Masibus Make NTP Server, model MC1. In this video, we will explain you how user can synchronize their Windows and servers using Masibus NetT-Sync software. Basically, this video will cover following. 1. How to download the NetT-Sync tool software. 2. Steps to install the NetT-Sync software. 3. Explanation of each parameter required to be configured for time sync of system. So, for that, we will require one laptop or Windows PC and one Ethernet cable. This is the rear side of MC1 model, where we have connected NTP1 port for further configuration of time synchronization. To begin, you need to download the NetT-Sync software from the Masibus official website. Open any web browser on your system and type www.masibus.com. This will take you to the Masibus homepage. Click on the Products menu. Under Products, select Time Synchronization Application. From the list of models in the Time Sync family, click on any model. The NetT-Sync software is common across all of them. Scroll down slightly on the product page and you will find the software. Once you click the download link, the NetT-Sync software will begin downloading. You can see here that the NetT-Sync setup file is being downloaded. Let's verify the download. Open your Downloads folder, check if the file is present. Yes, it's there. Now that the software has been downloaded, let's move on to the next step, extracting the downloaded file. In the extracted folder, click to open it. Here, you will see multiple subfolders. One of them is NetT-Sync software. You may also notice other tools like SNMP, Hyperterminal, and IP Finder. Now, let's proceed with the installation of the NetT-Sync tool. Open the NetT-Sync folder. Go into the Setup folder, usually located inside a folder named Volume. Inside, you'll find the setup file. Double-click on the setup.exe file to begin the installation. The installer window will appear. Click on the Next button. Accept the license agreement, then click Next again. Continue by clicking Next button to proceed further. The software will now begin installing. Once the installation is complete, click Next once more. A pop-up message will appear, prompting you to stop all existing time services. Click OK. This is important to ensure that all other time-related services are disabled for the NetT-Sync tool to function properly. Now, you will see the NetT-Sync tool icon on your desktop. Double-click the icon to open the application. Now, this is the main screen of the NetT-Sync tool. On this screen, you can view key information such as time, NTP client status, NTP server IP, and NTP status. At the bottom of the screen, you'll also find additional technical details like NTP Server, Reference ID, Stratum, Reach, and Offset. Connecting to the NTP Server. Now, let's move on to configuring the tool. I have connected the NTP port of the NTP Server to my laptop's LAN port. First, I'll check whether the default or configured IP is reachable. Ensure that your laptop's IP address is configured in the same IP range as the NTP server's IP address. Open the command prompt and ping the IP address of the NTP server. Yes, the device is responding successfully to the ping query. This means the connection is active and we can do the further configuration. Now check if the NTP service is already running. Stop it by clicking the Stop NTP Service button. When prompted, enter the password. Admin, capital A, followed by lowercase letters. Once the service has stopped, click on NTP Configuration. Enter the same password, admin, when prompted to proceed. You are now ready to configure the NTP settings as needed. In the NTP configuration window, you can see that multiple NTP servers' IP can be configured. However, in our case, we have a single NTP server and a single NTP port, so we will configure only one IP address. Enter the IP address 192.168.100.153. This is the default IP of the NTP server. Clock, in your case, it might be different. Next, we configure the polling interval. By default, it is set to 64 seconds. We will change it to 8 seconds. This means that every 8 seconds, your PC will send a request to the NTP server to get the correct time. Next, we configure the step update section. Under the step update, following 3 parameters to be configured. 1. Time difference limit. It is the allowable time difference between the system clock and the NTP server time. Default value is 1000 seconds. 2. Step difference acceptance. Once, if this option is selected, any time offset received from the NTP server will be accepted by the software if it is within the time diff limit configured. Never. In this option, time difference will not be accepted, and instead it will stop the NTP service. 3. Update interval. This is the minimum time interval that NTP service can take to adjust the NTP client's clock. Now, the last setting is service startup type, in which following 2 options are there. Automatic. The NTP service will start automatically every time the software restarts. Manual. The NTP service will not start automatically. Instead, the user has to start the service manually after every reboot. So far, we have configured the following parameters only. Keep other settings as the default values. IP address 192.168.100.153. Polling interval 8 seconds. Update interval 5 minutes. Once all values are set, click Save. The software will prompt you to restart the NTP service. Click Yes. Configuration changes must be followed by a restart of the NTP service to take effect. Click OK, and then click Start NTP Service to begin. As soon as the NTP service starts, your system clock begins synchronizing with the NTP server. Verifying synchronization. Now, as you can see, the NTP client status has changed to Sync. This confirms that your system is now successfully synchronized with the NTP server. You'll also notice that the NTP server IP 192.168.100.153 is clearly displayed on the screen. At the bottom of the interface, you'll find a list of configured IP addresses. The one marked with a star symbol, indicates the currently active or live NTP server being used for the time synchronization. Understanding key parameters. Let's quickly go over a few important parameters displayed on the screen. Reference ID. This should display GPS, indicating that the system is syncing with a GPS-based time source. Stratum level. The PC system typically shows a stratum level of 12, which is a local configuration level. The NTP server acts as a stratum 1 server, the highest level of time accuracy. Reach 2. This value reflects the query response consistency between your PC and the NTP server. It should gradually increase and reach 377, which confirms a stable communication link. Offset 2. This shows the time difference between your system and the NTP server, measured in milliseconds. Right now, your system is successfully synchronized with the NTP server. Thank you. I hope after watching this video, you will be able to configure the NetT-Sync tool without any problem, and you can synchronize your laptop, Windows, and servers using the NetT-Sync tool confidently with any of Masibus Make NTP server. In case of any queries, you can contact our support team. You can also write to us at support@masibus.com.